Hey there and welcome to FacePrep. Well, the TCS NQT is just 5 days away from today. Have you prepared? Well, from FacePrep we want to say a huge all the best. We believe that with the right amount of preparation, even from today, you will be able to do well. So ensure that you continue your preparation, stay calm and don't waste a single minute in all of these 5 days that lead up to the test. Right? We believe that you can do well in this test and crack the NQT. Well, right until we lead up to the D-Day, from FacePrep, we thought we will take your preparation up by a notch. We will be releasing one video a day, where we will teach you one important strategy, one very valuable strategy, which will take your test-taking experience up by a notch. Well, here is today's strategy. If you've been following FacePrep, last week, we were the first ones to tell you that TCS has released a new official practice test. And it's likely that the pattern in the same official practice test is gonna get reflected in the actual NQT also. And there are 3 things which are new about this test, 3 things which have changed. What are those 3 changes? We'll talk about in this video. The first change is that the way the test pattern exactly works is that every question is going to be mandatory. Which means you need to answer the question that you see on screen, and only when you answer it, you'll even be able to see the next question. Which means you will not have intra-sectional navigation. Only when you finish a question, you can go and even see the second question. Now, the downside of this is that once you answer a question, you will not be able to go back and review the answer. So ensure that you stay confident and ensure that you are sure about the answer when you punch in it. Right? But there's also a positive side here, which is the second change. The second change is that this pattern means there would be no negative marking. We have seen this in the TCS official practice test. We've also seen this in the pattern of all other similar tests, which all have all questions mandatory. They don't have negative marking, right? Which could be the second change which you will see in this year's NQT. And the third and most important change is that every section will have a fixed timer. Now, what do I mean by fixed timer? You already know that every section has got a timer. But when I mean by fixed timer, what I mean is that once a section's clock runs out is when you will even be able to access the next section. Which means, for example, the first section is numerical ability and it runs for 40 minutes. Only when the 40 minutes are up will the next section even get unlocked. Now, all of this means that you need to be prepared for anything, right? So this is the day that you've been waiting for all along, and these changes are not meant to scare you. They are only intended to find out how confident you are, how calm you are in the face of change. Ensure that you do well. From FacePrep, we believe you can. All the best.
Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Stay tuned to FacePrep for more awesome videos. Don't forget to subscribe.